Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the OHDERII projector home screen. This is a projector, a home projector that I got on Amazon for $100. Currently you could get it for $80. They do have a $20 clip-on coupon. So you can get it for $80, but it is relatively cheap compared to other high-end projectors. Right, and it is only used for home purposes, not commercial or anything, and for that reason it should be decent enough for the price. Alright, so this is the box. I really like. It's not like a plain brown box you would get with some of the other cheaper projectors. I really like that they have this picture. It makes it seem like it's 3D. Obviously it's not, right? But yeah, it's pretty simple, but it's a good construction box. Alright, so it is 5,500 lumens, right? So that is basically the brightness of it, and it is 1080p, so it's not 4K or anything, it's just high def. So let's see. Okay, so that's pretty much all that's in the box. You get the projector, you get the remote, you get the power cable, right? And what is this? This is the VGA, or the VGA if you want the component cable, not VGA. Alright, so this is the actual projector. It comes in this plastic case, right? You can see in the back there's a VGA input over here. This is the IR infrared reader. There's an infrared reader up front also, so that's really nice that they thought of that. So if you have your projector in front of you, the remote will still work, or if you have your projector behind you, the remote will still work. So that's really nice that they included that and thought of that. Alright, so this is advertised to be ultra quiet, so you shouldn't be able to hear it. I have used another one before, same one. You could hear the fan, especially if it's running for a little while, and you are using something, not just like if you are using like the USB. I was using a Roku stick on the USB, and then using that, so I guess that was using a lot more power, so maybe that's why the fan was running a lot more. That being said, the sound didn't really bother or anything. It was just not quiet. Okay, it is supposed to last up to 40,000 hours. Obviously I can't really test that, at least not yet. That's a pretty long time. So far, the one that I have tested has been working really good. The focus is really good as well, right? So I really like that. And you could mount it from the bottom, so it has this, so you can put on a projector or anything. Not a projector, you could put on a tripod or whatever, and from there you could I guess maybe have it standing or whatever. So on the side you can see the power inputs here. On this side we have two USB-A's, right? One HDMI, one AV, and then the headphone jack. Alright, the headphone jack, obviously not to put headphones on, but if you want to put like a sound bar or something, you could put that straight here and come with better sound. It does have built-in sound, but it's really not that good. Okay, next is here you have for the memory card over here. You can see if you want to use that, you could use that. Other than that, it's pretty much it. It's a typical projector. The quality is not too bad. It's not too great in my opinion, but you are definitely getting what you pay for. Okay, so it is relatively cheap, and for that price I think this is a great projector that if you are looking for the market and something in this range, I would highly recommend this projector. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are, if you have used this or not, what you guys think of it. If you recommend other projectors, please let me know. I'll test it out and let you guys know. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.